Let's get a little scientific. Ever heard of enthalpy? Enthalpy is the heat content of a system. We can calculate changes in enthalpy as delta H during reaction. To calculate your changes in enthalpy, which is delta H, the formula is H product minus H reactant. If delta H is negative, the reactant is exothermic. If it's positive, it is endothermic. Easy, right? Next up is activation energy. This is the energy needed to start a reaction. Think of it as a hill reactant. Think of it as a hill. Reactants need enough energy to climb over it to transform it into product. Can you think of a reaction where activation energy plays a big role, maybe lighting a match? Finally, let's talk about Gibbs free energy. It tells us if a reaction will happen spontaneously. If delta H is negative, the reaction can occur without any extra energy. So let's recap. Energy is crucial in chemistry, and understanding how it changes helps us grasp reactions. Endothermic reaction release energy while endothermic reaction absorbs it.